So today we have a mess. Someone was drinking hot chocolate and they spilled it everywhere. Cough, cough, Jerry. First things first, remove all large items away from the surface of the interior. I am at home, so I have no type of gloves. And I know this is Jerry's mug, so I'm just going to be using my fingers. Okay, so then I'll put this mug off to the side. We'll move the large items. I'll just dab it out. Even though I dab it out, it's not cleaning. It's just going to leave everything sticky. Why is it red? That's nasty. Okay, now we're gonna start off by cleaning it using Nonsense Super Cleaner. I'm gonna spray it directly onto the surface. Spray it directly onto the surface and I'll start agitating it. The reason why I sprayed it directly onto the surface is just because I want to have extra cleaning power, especially because Jerry's mug had a lot of things that were, why is it turning red? That's nasty. But it had a lot of sticky residue on it. So by me utilizing a brush, it's going to allow me to remove the filth and grime. And then after this, there's some on here. Might as well just touch up the center console. But you guys can see how Nonsense Super Cleaner agitates the surface very well, and then it also gets very foamy. After I scrub it, I'll get a clean microfiber towel and just wipe off the residue. So I'll start off from the back to the front. And like this, we no longer have a sticky interior. So flip it over to another clean side. And just like that, we rejuvenated this interior using Nonsense Super Cleaner. So let me just finish removing all this foam, and then I'll show you guys the results after. So we finished up with the center console. Now just to give it a quick wipe down on the interior, I'll be using our Total Interior wipes. Pop the cap open, remove a wipe, and then I'll just go to the surface of this dashboard and just touch it up. Now, I will also be doing another pass throughout the center console, just because Total Interior does have a protectant on it. And by having a protectant on it, it's going to allow me to protect my interior surfaces from it cracking, discoloring, fading, or just getting any harm from it, from any UV rays. I'm not gonna be using a towel. One wipe is more than enough. So just simply wipe down everything. And then, like I mentioned to you guys before, I'm gonna give it a once over on the center console, shift knob, just like I have some type of protection to the surface of this interior. Wipe it down. Get the vents. Get everywhere using a wipe. I'm gonna give it one last final wipe. And just like that, I went ahead and took care of the center console. The center console was like the biggest thing on this interior. I mean, that thing was filthy, it was disgusting, it was sticky. It's no longer sticky. It's also protected using Total Interior wipes. And that's how fast and easy it is to clean up your interior. If you would like to pick up these products today, you can find them on chemicalguys.com or drive down to your local detail garage. And we might see you next time at another at-home series. See ya.